For more profitable signals, drop a comment and like the video. Hello fellow traders, following successful signals last week, I'm excited to share another profitable one on US dollar versus Japanese yen. Subscribe to our channel for daily signals.
Are you a trader? Aren't you profitable yet? Are you interested in copy trading? Please leave your comments and likes below this video, and feel free to reach out to us to commence your journey towards profitable trading.
Thank you for your kind attention. Porsche Forex Academy is dedicated to providing you with weekly Forex and crypto analysis and forecast. Stay informed with our daily Forex and crypto signals. Support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing to receive our valuable signals and analysis.